Hi, my name is Amritesh Tiwari
My name is Hemant Sahu.
and we are from the team Coding Hall.
Today we are here to introduce your wonderful project in C++ language. I hope you will definitely like the project and you are surely going to make it.
The only place where the success comes before the work is only dictionary. With these motivation, let's build up a fitness application using C++ as a language.
So guys, you might be thinking that what's new in this project, because we have many projects. So in this project, the idea is here to explain you the coding portion, that how can you make fitness calculator using C++ language.
Or the main aim is to give you a project idea so that you can build your own C++ or C application.
So talking about the application, it can do 5 main types of work. Firstly, it can calculate your BMI, that is body mass index, and as well as it can calculate your ideal body weight. According to your height, what should be your ideal body weight, the program can easily calculate. In the second option, you can view your diet. According to your height and weight, what diet should be taken by you, it can calculate. And in third option, you can view exercise according to your body. And many more options are there, I promise. If you surely follow the instructions given in the program and you go through the program, you will surely see changes in yourself. Now let's go to the Amritesh for the practical demonstration of the program.
So let's start.
So I am on my computer screen. You can see few lines of code in C++ programming. Let me run the program to show you the practical demonstration. Like it will take some time because the codes are approx 545 or 560 lines. So here it comes. Let's see if you are fit or not. This lines motivates me more because let's see if you are fit or not. Like Coding Hall fitness application, and here are the few of the options you have to choose, like first to calculate BMI, second to view diet, third to view exercise, and fourth to view the last record, and option 5 to exit, and option 6 for the help. So we will start with option 1. Like option 1, create your fitness ID. I am creating it 567 of 3-digit number. You can take it like of 4-digit number or 5-digit number, it's free. Afterwards, enter your name like AMRITESH, okay, and weight in kg. My weight is approx 60 kg. I am typing in that, and my height in meter. Note that you have to enter your height in meter only, not in feet. Like I am entering 1.67, okay, and like gender male or female, I am typing it M. So here it comes my report. Hello Mr. Amritesh Tiwari, your BMI is 21.51, okay, congrats. Your BMI is between this much to this much. As per WHO BMI index, you are healthy. Hooray, I am healthy. And your body weight should be 63.2206, means I have to gain 3 kg for my ideal weight. Although I am fit, but I have to gain 3 kg more. Like this record, if I want to save, I will press option 1. Here you can see that. And if I want to go back to the main menu, I will press option 2. If I want to exit the program, I will exit the program. First of all, let me save the program by typing in option 1, okay. Record saved successfully. For main menu, press 1, press 2 to view the last record. Okay, I am redirecting it to main menu. Here it comes again the main menu. Like again in option 2, you can view your diet. Option 3 will view your exercise, and option 4 will view your last record. Let us see what we have saved. Like 567, I have my fitness ID, and here it comes. Hi Mr. Amritesh Tiwari, your BMI is 21.5139. Don't be confused, like if you will cut the program, the whole data will vanish. No, this program is a proper file handling program. You can just cut from here, and if you again run this program, it will compile, and again if you will go to option 4 to view the last record, it will show your data. Like I press option 4, fitness ID 567. Here you can see that Mr. Amritesh Tiwari, your BMI is between 21.513. In this fitness application, you can add many more things like water alarm, or you can add your step tracker, or you can add many of the things like of your requirement. But the team of Coding Hall demands me to make it more simpler and more easy to understand for the beginners level. If you want to make it in advanced level, you can just go for that. Let me show you option 2, like what food I should eat. Okay, I'm typing it my name. Weight in kg, again weight was 60, height 1.67, I guess. Okay, M. Okay, again same, this data was already have used that and have saved also, but here the data is not being called. I have to calculate that data. The program which the team of Coding Halt and Hemant designed, like here the program will not call the data from the file. Here you have to make your data. Like BMI will not be called from the saved data. Okay, don't be in confusion. Again, your ideal body weight should be 63.2 according to WHO BMI index. You are healthy, and please continue your daily routines. And it suggests me what I should eat in protein diet. I should eat fruits and vegetable, in honey syrup, okay, milk product. So it's quite interesting to see what food I should eat. You can also make this program to see what food the Coding Halt team suggests you. We have taken the data from many of the goods websites, so that you can believe on that. You might be thinking that why should we believe in the Coding Halt application? Don't worry, we have taken all the data from the WHO side, and very good fitness applications and very good fitness freaks suggested us this of the data, and we have consulted few of the doctors also to see this, is this data correct or not, or we should prescribe something more. Like doctor suggested that it's good, very good. Let's again redirect to the main menu. Again, option 3 will show you viewer exercise. Let me press option 3. What exercise I should do? It's quite interesting. Enter your BMI. My BMI was 21, I guess. 21 point, I do not remember more. Here also it will not call the BMI from the file handling. The user file handling you can only see in the option number 4. Please remember that, don't be confused. Okay. Again here, hello Mr. Amritesh, you are recording BMI. Okay, congratulations, you are healthy. I know I am healthy, man. Okay, it's suggesting me some of the exercise. I can see here 6 exercises: bent over, row, abdominal, push-ups, lungs, and so it's I will be doing all of these 6 exercises to be fit and healthy. So I was doing only push-ups only. I do not know about the 6, but today I know that it was quite interesting. Again, I am back to the main menu. If you want the source code of this program, and if you want to work more, you can add more options. Then what you have to do, you just DM us on Instagram @codinghalt.com, or you can just email us at www.gmail.com/codinghalt.com, or you can just WhatsApp me that I want the source code, and we will be working with you. That's not a big deal. If you press option 5, this program will be exit. Let me show you option 6. Here option 6 will be the help option. What option 2 will do, option 3 will do, what option 5 will do. We have made it user friendly. Like if you do not want to watch the video, just ask the source code from us and press the option 6, and you can see all the options here. Okay, let me exit the program. Here it comes. Thank you for using Coding Halt Fitness Calculator. Visit again. Good day. So execution time was 262.631 seconds. That's I have used this much. So this was from the Amritesh side, signing off for the today. If you want the source code, just what I have told you what you have to do. Meanwhile, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel Coding Halt. We will be bringing more of the applications in C or C++ programming in some of the days. Don't worry about that. And it's great to know that we are started working on Python projects also. In few days we will be going to see some of the cool Python projects of 12 or 13 lines. That's enough to build a good Python application. Don't worry, we will be working with that also. So if you want the video to come first, what you have to do, subscribe, press the bell icon, so that you can make your own cool project. So thank you for the today. We will be joining with you soon. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, and stay fit, stay healthy.